Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can make millions of dollars, even billions of dollars, in GTA single player. Now, this does not involve stocks. This does not involve any weird glitches that only get you a little bit of money. This is going to get you millions of dollars really quickly, and you can do this as many times as you want. There's no risk of getting banned because it's single player, and honestly, Rockstar does not care about single player and what you do in single player. So yeah, so as you can see, I have a Bezra, which is one of the best planes in the games. One of the best planes in the game, sorry. And I have $205 million, and I'm only, let's see here, 34% in the game. So yeah, this is more money than you'd ever have if you finish the game. And yeah, this is really cool. So you can get any vehicle you want. I have almost all the properties so far. I could buy them if I wanted to. But yeah, so let's get moving. Alright, so I am going to be doing this glitch as Michael because he only has, let's see, $809,000 dollars. So that is not nearly as much as we want him to have. So let's just jump right into this glitch. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is grab your car. So let's head over here. And come on, Michael. And basically what you're going to do is head to the closest store that you can find, preferably one that you can rob. So I'm going to this barbershop right here because it's close to my garage, and you'll see why we need that in a second. But just head to head to a store that you can rob that's close to the player's garage. So you don't have to buy the garage just yet, but you are going to have to buy it later. So just make sure you have a little bit of money. This garage costs like 30,000, I think. So it's really not that much. Once you get like 15% in the game, you'll have that 30,000. It's really easy money to get. If you need to get that 30,000 and you're just starting off, you can check out my channel. I have other videos on how you can make that money. So let's head over to the barber shop. Alright, so all you need to do is open this door a little bit so you're technically outside, but still in the store. Pull out a gun and just point at the lady. You don't have to kill her if you don't want to. Shoot the cash register. Where's the money? And money should pop up. Come on. Where is it? Alright, it doesn't particularly matter if the money shows up. But mine didn't for some reason, but that's fine. Did it? Yeah, no, I didn't get any money from that for some reason, but that's alright. You just need to rob the store and get the cops on you. So now you can lose the cops. So just drive around the corner or something. Just get away from the cops. Okay, so I have now lost the cops. And what you need to do next is go over to the store that you just robbed. Get away from it, and then set a marker at that store so you remember which one it was. So you just need to remember which store that you robbed. So my preferred way is setting a marker there. And once you do that, you're gonna head to that player's garage. Mine is right here. And you need to buy the garage, or if you already have it, that works too. So head over to the garage, and this one, as I said before, it's really cheap. It's not gonna cost a lot of money. So you're gonna make a bunch of money back, so you'll be fine. And this one's really confusing. Sorry, did it wrong. It's really annoying. This entrance is very confusing. But just hop in here and purchase the garage. This one's 30,000, not much at all. And there you go, garage purchase. So just a second. All right, there we go. It's gonna say minus 30,000. Now what you need to do is find a nice car. So there's a good one right here, so we're just gonna grab this guy. Break in, it doesn't really matter. Just any nice car. And you're gonna head over to Los Santos Customs. So my Los Santos Customs is right down the street. So okay. You can temporarily remove the marker here if you need to, because I'm horrible at directions. Just remember which store that you originally robbed, and you should be all good. So head over to the Los Santos Customs. Don't worry, you don't need to buy hundreds of thousands of dollars of modifications for this car. You just need to do one little thing. So head over there. Try not to damage your car too much because it'll cost money to repair. Oh, look at me. So good at driving. Okay, head into the Los Angeles Customs. I apologize for my horrible driving skills. I'm playing on PC, which I don't usually do. And once you're in here, you just need to change one thing. It doesn't matter what it is, just to make it your own. So it recognizes that you've established that this is your car. So what I'm gonna do is change the respray. You can change to anything you want. Let's just change this to something cheap. I don't know, $1,000. It doesn't really matter. And then you can just exit Los Angeles Customs. So now this is your car. And what we're gonna do now is head back to our garage. At this point, it doesn't really matter if you damage the car because once you're in the garage, it'll basically regenerate. So head back to the garage, and I'll meet up with you guys once I'm there. Okay, so now that you're at the garage, you just need to open it, enter garage, and this should be the, make sure that this is the only car in your garage. You wanna, if you have any other cars here, just park them outside or at Michael's house, because this needs to be the only car in there. Okay, so now that that car's in there, you're gonna leave your garage, and the final step, open up your phone, internet, go to travel and transport, scroll down to the Panda M Cycles or whatever, buy the cheapest one, this $500 BMX. You're gonna go ahead and order that, and it should just in a second spawn in here. There you go. So open up your garage, and the BMX should be in there. Alright, now that we're in our garage, the glitch has officially worked, so hop onto your bike and go outside, and you'll now notice that I have, let's see, 120,778,335. So that is a gigantic increase from whatever we had before. And just to show you guys that this is real money, and there you go.